Good day, everyone. Today's question is on the topic indices involving equation. And the question here is if 5 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 plus 5 raised to the power of 2x is equals to 150, find the value of x. Solution to this question. Now, before I start with this particular thing, there was something that took place before getting to this point. For example, I'll move back to the first law of indices, which is the law of multiplication. Let me take a simple example. 5 raised to the power of 2 times 5 raised to the power of 1. According to the multiplication law, since the bases are the same, you take one of them, pick one of them, then you add their powers, which is 2 plus 1. So that is what happens in this case. So this part of the question is like the final answer. So this part now that gives rise to this answer. So we are going to expatiate this to get to this point. So by so doing, this is going to be 5 raised to the power of 2x times 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 5 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 150. So solving further from this point now, if you check both sides on your left hand side, you will see that 2 the same time appears. 5 raised to the power of 2x and 5 raised to the power of 2x here. So I'm going to factor out 5 raised to the power of 2x. So bringing it out, 5 raised to the power of 2x, I will open the bracket. What am I left with here? 5 raised to the power of 1, which is the same thing as 5. Plus, if I remove it here, I'm left with 1 is equal to 150. So, 5 raised to the power of 2x is going to give me, I'll put everything in bracket here. So 5 raised to the power of 2x bracket 5 plus 1, which is the same thing as 6, is equal to 150. So what I'm doing next from here is to divide through with 6, which is this. 6 cancels 6, it will go. 6 here is 1, 6 into 150 is 25. So I'm having 5 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 25. So from this case, this part of the equation is indices form. This other part is just whole number. So I'm going to change the 25 to be like this other side to make it an index form. So 5 raised to the power of 2x is equals to 5 raised to the power of 2 will give me 25, which is 5 times 5 will give 25. So from here, it is very easy to get my answer. Since the bases are the same, I will strike them. So I'm left with 2x is equal to 1. Dividing both sides with the coefficient of x, which is also 2, will make me have only x remaining. 2 here is 1, 2 here is also 1. 1 divided by 1 will give you 1. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 1. Thank you.